Okie dokie, so today I'm talking about virus replication. I'm going to make this one quick. It's not too complicated. We have the lytic and the lysogenic cycle. And in the lytic cycle, what is going to happen is the virus is going to go into the cell. So if I have a cell and I have my nucleus, the virus is going to come into there. It's going to go in the nucleus. It's going to use the cell machinery, ribosomes, DNA, transcription, translation, replication, do all that, make proteins, and just make more viruses until the cell. There's too many viruses, and then the cell dies and pops and lyses. And so that'll release a bunch of viruses out into the body, and then those viruses will go infect more cells and the cycle continues. And so that's the lytic style of virus replication. The other style of virus replication is going to be the lysogenic cycle. And so what's going to happen here, instead of going in and just replicating and making a bunch of viruses, the virus is going to go in and still be in the cell, but instead of making more, it's just going to kind of hang out in the cell in a dormant stage, and as the cell divides, that cell will be infected with the virus. So that's kind of the main differences between the lytic and the lysogenic cycle. And what can happen is the virus will enter the cell and stay in the lysogenic cycle for a while and remain dormant, and then come out into the lytic cycle after a number of years or something. So really, the virus can pop through these two different types of cycles depending on it. So those are kind of the different types of virus replication, and I hope that was helpful.